Welcome to another video on my channel. Hit the subscribe button if you're interested. My name is David Pinto, and we're going to talk about why Easy1Up, especially the $250, which is not that expensive, guys. I know that people do think it is, but it's a one-time purchase, and why the $250 level is one of the best entry-level products that I have seen in a while, and why am I so much in love with endorsing Easy1Up for anybody who's just getting started, and how it works in my system itself that I built, and which I can give to you as a bonus in case you are interested in working with me. So if you're that person, I hope you're going to enjoy this video. Like I said, my name is David Pinto. They also call me Tips with Dave. And the reason why they call me Tips with Dave, in fact, you can see right here, my tagline is pave the way for your dreams. I'm going to give you tips on a daily basis, on a weekly basis, if you subscribe to the channel and get on my email list, where you can learn to become an independent online marketer and entrepreneur. You're going to get tips from me because I believe that everyone who has that passion is going to get there if they have the right guidance. But it's very important that the person who's giving that guidance is implementing it as well. And I'm one of these people, guys. I implement what I speak, and I like to make sure that the tips that I give are valuable, okay? So if you scroll down my FutureNet page, which is a social media site, guys, it's also a brand awareness that I'm going to make. In fact, if you want to join FutureNet, there's a link in the description of this video that is linked to the Pro system, the system that I built. And as you go along, you'll see how I leverage FutureNet to actually generate more leads and get finally sales to my my opportunities. But we're not here to talk about FutureNet. We're here to talk about Easy1Up. So let's go ahead, and then I'm going to show you my strategy. I always put this in a video. So if you don't know what exactly I'm doing so far, then keep watching. Go ahead, check out the other channels, and maybe that'll help you. Other videos, and maybe that'll help you a little bit more. I'm going to go to my back office in Easy1Up just to give you guys an overview. I know I should not be doing this completely, but as you can see, it is my back office. And look at this right here. This is the beauty. 1 hour and 42 minutes, 1 hour and 4 minutes, 1 hour and 8 minutes. These are new as of October. Guys, we are in October 2018 at the time of shooting this video. And these are new videos for in October 2018. So it's a product that you purchase one time. Okay, and this, I'm making it very clear to explain to you the value of the product itself. I'm not going to get into a commission-based thing. We will definitely talk about it towards the end of this video, but right now I want to focus on the product for a second, because a lot of people underestimate this and don't go into their back office. If you're an Easy1Up, go into your back office, because the information keeps getting updated. They value you, so they update it to the best information that you can have as of today. Okay, so it's very important that you check it out. So as I said, these are the three main videos where you can use Skype, you can leverage YouTube in live income stream. So I guess it's YouTube Live, LinkedIn ads as well, okay? And then teaches you advanced strategies on how to actually build a home-based business, the right mindset that you need to have, okay, when building your business. How do you make your passion that you believe in, whether you're a dog sitter, whether you like to cook, to clean, to play an instrument, you can make that your profession and actually profit from it. It teaches you what a business system is. How do I automate the system? What do I do? Gives you that aspect of it, okay? How to create offers. Look at the amount of value that is given here. Lucrative list building techniques, traffic secrets, okay? Email relationship mastery. This is a very important course. As I said, there's how to get JV partners, the launch process, affiliate marketing, okay? That is all under one time $250 payment. Now, there is also an admin fee, so it comes up to around $300 that you're spending for just once, and they will keep giving you value that is worth it for you. Now let's get into the little bit of the income side of it, okay? Easy1Up does allow you to give you instant cash. Now, I know that you are somebody in the world that is focused, and if you say no to this, I would like to have a conversation with you. So let me know in the comments if you do agree with me or not. But we are in a society today, we are in a situation today where we are looking for instant gratification. I want coffee, I need to make it, I need to drink it right now, right? It's instant, okay? Instant gratification. That's what this company has built. The business model has been working for more than a year. I think it's already 2 years that it's up and running. Okay, they give you instant commissions, 100%. All they are asking you is to pay the one-time admin fee. Okay, and you can get these $250 payments in and out. Okay, have your numbers set up, send it to your PayPal, send it to Bitcoin, whatever it is that you would like a payment method to be, and you can finally get the results that you need. And in fact, it gives you this information right here. But if you focus on the consistent actions when it comes to actually building your Easy1Up and getting those $250 sales, I think it's the best entry point to get into, and it can be very valuable for you. So take a look at it. Okay, I have definitely endorsing it completely. I love the system. I love the owner who is constantly putting on new events, new products. They have right up to a $2,000 package level. So if you just get 5 people to look and to get the information that's there in the system, you're making 10,000 a month. All you need to do is take the action. Now, if for a medium sale of 25 US dollars to a maximum sale of 2,000 US dollars, it is still possible. It's the same exact process. So I think as an average person who is with a job and you can afford putting your $300, which if you have a vice like, I'm going to say it on my channel, but I usually don't. But if you have a vice like smoking or drinking or something like that, or even buying too much chocolate, limit it. And I'm 100% sure that you can save $300 per month, okay, which you can use for a strategy as well as putting money for a one-time payment into this business of $250 US dollars plus the admin fee in the beginning, and you can get all these products for you and the possibility to get income in no matter if it's now or in 10 years. As long as Easy1Up is up, you're qualified. You pay once and you're qualified. It doesn't get as simple as that. It really doesn't. So I'm not here to pitch you guys completely on the product. I wanted to show you, and I wanted to show you a strategy, which is the Pro system. Okay, so I have basically in the Pro system, again, link is in the description, and you can find the other links of what I work with and what exactly I do in the description of this video. The main thing that I want to show you is I'm very consistent, guys. If you didn't know, look at the time right here. It's 18th of October, but it's almost midnight, and I'm still doing videos because I believe that if I'm not consistent enough, I will not get the right results. And I put in the work and effort. So definitely the results that you're going to need to put in, or if you would like a certain amount per month, then you need to put in the action, okay, whether it's free content, whether it's paid content. Now, what I would suggest you to do is follow this strategy, which I have, okay? So you have a product and service, you have a system that does the selling, the telling, the follow-up, and takes care of your contacts, takes care of your lead generation. It's basically a system that manages everything for you from the pre-sales to the sales, okay? And there's a communication flow. And then you have traffic. Traffic is basically eyeballs to your offer. So what I do is I first put in funds right here into traffic. Okay, after obviously I'm taking for granted right now that you have the products. Okay, that traffic goes here to the Pro system, and it is with Online Sales Pro. So it goes to online a landing page made in Online Sales Pro with a follow-up in Aweber immediately. And the Pro system promotes Easy1Up, and it promotes FutureNet, which is the other element right here. And just in this marketing side, there's 1, okay, 2, 3, 4 income streams just in one of the systems that I like, the whole Pro system, which is one element of the whole system. Now, once I make the sale here, okay, so say like I made the sale, okay. and we are going to take, what I do is I put 30% aside for budgeting for my traffic. Okay, it's up to you if you wanted to make it 50% or you want to make it 3%, 4%, whatever it is. But I average it out to 30%. Every time I make a sale there, the 30% just goes straight off to traffic and follows the same cycle once again. Make a sale, 30% goes into traffic, 70% goes to my pocket. Now, you may ask me, David, but what is 30% of 30% of 250? Okay, because I'm telling you the $250 level is what it is. So you're making around 75 US dollars that you're putting into a traffic budget. And if you minus 250 minus 75, what are you getting at the end of the day? 175 in your pocket with each sale that you make of a $250 level. So it's up to you whether you would like to join. As I said, the project itself, the power in updating the information that you can find in Easy1Up is something that I have always been very, very, very fond of. Like I said, there's nothing new. It is a solid business model that is working. So are you ready to take the choice? Are you ready to take the leap of faith and actually get Easy1Up and focus on it? If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet and don't know what I'm doing, let me give you a short summary of things. Okay, I work on marketing, which basically has a whole system that I've built, which has 6 income streams in it. I'm focusing on promoting that, and I'm focusing on putting videos on each element, and one of them is Easy1Up. Keep me posted in the comment section below if you understand and you're following with the strategy that I have laid out for you right here, because what this does create is a snowball effect that works. So that's it from me in this video. I'm going to see you in the next one. We're going to share exactly everything that's in the process, and most probably I'll do a webinar so that you guys can follow me, and I will put it up on my channel. But until then, if you did like this video, like my entertainment, like myself, and the strategy that you see in the video, put in the just hit the subscribe button and the bell notification for any future videos that we come out with. As I said before, pave the way for your dreams to come true, and we're going to see you on the next one.